Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's perspective on Bitcoin as a competitor to gold, not the US dollar, is significant for several reasons. 1. Regulatory clarity. Powell's comments help frame Bitcoin in a specific context, influencing how regulators approach cryptocurrencies. By categorizing it as a speculative asset similar to gold, it suggests that Bitcoin is less of a threat to the financial system's stability and more of an alternative store of value. 2. Market perception. This statement affects investor sentiment. Comparing Bitcoin to gold solidifies its position as a digital asset for long-term wealth preservation rather than a daily transactional currency. This may attract investors looking for alternatives to traditional assets like gold. 3. Policy implications. By distinguishing Bitcoin from the US dollar, Powell signals that the Federal Reserve does not currently see it as a threat to monetary policy or the dominance of the US dollar in global trade. This could delay or soften regulatory crackdowns. 4. Bitcoin's role in the financial system. The comparison to gold implies that Bitcoin has a recognized place in the financial ecosystem, especially as a hedge against inflation or economic uncertainty. This narrative can lead to wider institutional adoption. 5. Global economic implications. If Bitcoin is a competitor to gold, its rise could shift the dynamics of the global financial system. Countries or institutions relying heavily on gold might diversify into Bitcoin, affecting gold prices and the broader commodities market. 6. Digital versus traditional finance. Powell's statement highlights a key trend: the shift from traditional assets like gold to digital alternatives like Bitcoin. This reflects the growing acceptance of blockchain technology and digital assets in the modern economy. 7. Implications for central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Recognizing Bitcoin as a store of value rather than a currency may guide the Federal Reserve's approach to developing a central bank digital currency, CBDC. A CBDC would address transactional needs, complementing Bitcoin's role as a speculative or wealth-preserving asset. 8. Adoption and innovation. Statements from high-level officials like Powell validate Bitcoin's legitimacy, encouraging innovation and adoption in the crypto space. This can spur technological advancements and drive the development of related infrastructure. In summary, Powell's remarks not only shape the narrative around Bitcoin, but also influence its adoption, regulation, and integration into the financial ecosystem.